Hey folks, it's Ted Cantu with hotmetrofines.com, and today we got some amazing things taken off in Slidell, Louisiana. Our company of the day is Exterior Expressions LLC. They do amazing fences. They do the wood privacy fence. They got pool fences, aluminum fences, iron fences, and it's amazing gate fabrication, farm fences and field fences. It's a you got to see the craftsmanship on these. Are absolutely amazing. What little I can tell you is a picture's worth 1,000 words. I mean, these are some amazing fences. And what's really cool about them is that if you're looking to add timeless beauty and lasting privacy to your home or business, these are the guys to call. They specialize in high craft quality wood fences that bring out the charm and character of Louisiana living. And from classic picket fences to sturdy privacy designs, their fences are built with the finest local materials and expert craftsmanship designed to withstand the Gulf Coast weather while enhancing your property value and curb appeal. This is a locally owned and operated company. They take pride in delivering dependable service, honest pricing, and fences that are made to impress. Whether you're securing your backyard, defining your property line, or simply wanting a fresh new look, their professional team handles every step from design to cleanup with precision and care. And as we say, let's build a fence that you'll love for years to come right here in Slidell. And I'll tell you what, these pictures are just unbelievable. I love the detail and how they really bring out the character of the home. And we've got many of them to share with you. And the testimonials are amazing too. You can always find us at hotmetrofines.com, and we'll be delivering more information, such as the right type of fences that'll fit your needs and to actually enhance your property value and a whole lot more. So come check us out, and you'll be seeing us if you just type in wood fences, Slidell, Louisiana. We'll be popping up in that space, as well as Mandeville and some other cities as well. It's Ted Cantu coming right at you. Got any questions for us? Give us a call at 248 277 6141. Thanks for watching. We'll see you online.